Delhi University organized a special program under the Drug Free Campus campaign with Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan as guest of honor. Pradhan lauded the university's initiative in combating the growing challenge of substance abuse among students. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw attended a high-level finance ministerial meeting hosted by U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent in Washington to discuss measures to secure and diversify global critical minerals supply chains, particularly rare earth elements vital for advanced manufacturing and electronics. Deputy Chief Minister Prabhati Parida launched the Ame Padhiba Ama Bhasare initiative, enabling children in Anganwadi centers to learn in 21 tribal mother tongues. She also announced a major expansion of Subhadra Yojana with Rs 250 crore to be credited directly to beneficiaries' accounts by January 18. Odisha has added around 7,000 new polling booths, raising the total to nearly 43,000 for the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. Each booth will now have a maximum of 1,200 voters. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi announced a 5-year plan for Chilika Lake's ecological rejuvenation, prioritizing biodiversity protection, fishery improvements, and tourism development, marking a major government push to restore the lake while balancing ecological preservation with economic growth. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, during the launch of logo, theme, and website for the BRICS Summit, has stressed that resilience, innovation, cooperation, and sustainability will be the key priorities during India's chairship of BRICS 2026. Quick commerce platforms agreed to remove 10 minutes delivery service following the intervention of Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia over the safety of delivery partners. US President Donald Trump announced that countries doing business with Iran will face a 25% additional tariff on trade with the United States, signaling a tougher approach toward Tehran and its international partners. For India, this implies a whopping 75% tariff on all its products being exported to the United States. The India Open Badminton Tournament has started at the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in New Delhi. Two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu will lead India's challenge in the competition.
This new year, step into the world of stories at the New Delhi World Book Fair 2026. Discover millions of books and fun learning activities for children. Meet your favorite authors and renowned speakers. Experience live music and soulful performances. Qatar as guest of honor, Spain as the focus country. Celebrate India's 75 years of military history at the theme pavilion. 10th to 18th January at Bharat Mandapam. See you at the New Delhi World Book Fair. Entry free.